Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Your Tech Today. In this video we'll take a look at an enclosure for a hard disk drive, that is a 2.5-inch hard disk drive, and it's a USB to USB-C port. So I ordered this from Amazon Canada, and I'll leave the link in the description where you can buy it. So why I went for this is because this is the latest USB 3 type of enclosure, and I really don't like the USB 3 ports, which the dual connections which all the hard disks usually come with. And USB-C is the latest. It's more durable and faster speeds also. Though for a hard disk USB 3 is also fine, but just for the durability factor I've gone for this. And I had this old hard disk which I removed from my old laptop. This is about probably 6 years old, and it's not very dependable, but just for basic tasks I'm going to be using this hard disk, and I won't be keeping any important data on it, and later on I can always swap another new hard disk or a better hard disk or an SSD in this enclosure. So let's just look at the box first. It's from a brand called UGREEN, and the USB 3.1 6 terabyte. It supports up to 6 terabyte and 2.5-inch hard disk. Let's take a look at the back. So it uses USB 3.1 and the Amazon page said second generation, and it is backward compatible with SATA 2, SATA 1, and also backward compatible with USB 3, 2 and 1.1. Supports Linux, Windows and Mac, and supports both hard disk drives and SSDs, and it's made in China. So it's supposed to be a toolless design, and it does support both the 7.5mm and the 9mm hard disks. Take it out, thank you note, and their support email and a manual. So here are the installation instructions. Pretty easy. It's supposed to be a toolless design. You have the cable. So not too long, not too short, I think half a meter. So this is what the enclosure looks like. There's some plastic protection on this part, and that's your USB-C port. Nice fit, and USB-C goes both ways. And you can always use a longer cable too. Quality of the cable feels really nice. It's thick. Seems like good quality. I guess there is an LED over here. So let's just install the disk. Just open it up like this. So there is some foam protection over here for the hard disks. So any vibrations, this foam pads will absorb it. So you just need to slide your hard disk in like this. And push, that's it. It's connected, it's not falling out. So I'm not really sure how secure this is, but it feels pretty tight, and if it falls out of your hand, maybe there's a chance that it will break open, but if you're dropping this anyways, hard disks do get damaged. So be careful with it. As this is a toolless design, they've tried to make it as easy as possible for somebody to use this. So it's installed. Protect what you love. So I'll quickly get my laptop and plug this in, and we'll see how the speeds. So it's working, and there's a blue LED. It flashes when the hard disk is being used. Let's not move it a lot when the hard disk is running. So it got detected pretty easily, pretty quickly, and my hard disk is showing up in the Explorer. So I just ran a quick benchmark, and we're getting about 86 on the reads and 60 on the writes, which is pretty typical for this old hard drive over here. So at least the enclosure is not a bottleneck. I don't have a spare SSD to run in this to check whether it supports the full speeds of SSDs, but I'm pretty sure it will run because it looks like a pretty well designed and working product, so you shouldn't have any issues. And for the price, it's I think perfect. So overall, a nice product, and it gave some use to my old hard drive, so it's pretty good. So if you spend around $20, you can get some use out of your old hard drive. And when that hard drive goes bad, you can always change it with a new one, and you can always use this enclosure again and again with new hard drives. So that's it in this video, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. I'll answer it as soon as possible. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and follow me on Instagram. And thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.